My name is Candace Kearse, and I'm currently attending William Penn Senior High School as a junior. I'm greatly invested in many programs at York High, such as student council, cheerleading, choir, band, theater, and many more. I've been informed that budget cuts are taking place, and one of them being performing arts, and I'm just having a hard time understanding as to why. I've been participating in performing arts for 4 years now, and I found my experiences with the program life-changing. Because of this program, I and many of my peers have fallen in love with the arts. I plan on going to college to pursue my dream of developing a nonprofit community theater for children and young adults that don't have the opportunities to unite with common interests. I was a little upset when I looked at the form that had all the budget cuts, and then I was just like raging with thought, so I just had to write it down, and I might have missed a couple key points. The bottom line is our students are the next generation of what's going to hold this community together. Everyone else is not going to be here forever, so we need to keep programs that are going to keep people here and keep people positive to uplift the community. And by cutting performing arts, you'll be destroying a special bond within our community that holds us together. Just last weekend, on the 18th, 19th, and 20th, Phantom of the Opera premiered on our York High stage, which I participated in. Adults, teens, children of all ages enjoy our performing arts programs, and it brings people in our community together in ways that a sports game does and sometimes can't. So why aren't those programs up for cuts? I'm in everything, but I kind of value performing arts a little more than cheerleading. I think there's more meaning in the arts than me being a cheerleader or being a basketball player or football player. There's like so many options. But I think that if you're going to cut programs that are just specifically and always specifically geared towards students who are of your highest academic students and not towards a football player that maybe has a 1.5 GPA rather than the student that has a 5.0, like that just doesn't make sense. The people such as myself that participate in the performing arts programs are some of the school's most exceptional students. I'm in the top 10th% of my class. I have a GPA of 3.5, and I'm involved with the community. Why should me and my fellow peers have to suffer because we're active in our community and are doing well? I know that education is important. I mean, that's how you get somewhere in this life. And for me, it helps me strive for something more by being in these extracurricular programs, because if I don't get my work done, then I'm not in that program. I understand that times are hard and money is tight, and it's the Great Recession era. But in times like these, we need programs like the performing arts that bring people together to make a difference in our community. It's a motivator. It helps you stay on track with everything. And it's definitely something that gets you into your community, to learn more people in and out of the community, get to know more about a subject that could possibly head you on the right path of where your dreams are. I believe if we didn't throw money away into unnecessary staffing in our buildings or have everybody suing the school board, we wouldn't have this problem in the first place. We don't need to cut everything. I think we need to start adding things.